Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If your Windows 11 computer is stuck in an endless scanning and repairing drive check disk loop on startup, your system is incorrectly flagging your drive as dirty. I will show you how to safely bypass this scan and fix your startup routine right now. Let's get started. First, you can use a built-in command to explicitly tell Windows to ignore this specific drive during the boot process. Open your Start menu, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Type CHKNTFS /X C:, and press Enter to exclude your primary C drive from the automatic boot check. Restart your computer immediately to confirm the scanning and repairing loop has been successfully bypassed. Next, resetting the Session Manager Registry key removes any corrupted lingering commands forcing the disk check. Press the Windows key plus R, type Regedit, and press Enter to launch the Registry Editor. Navigate exactly to HKey Local Machine, System, CurrentControlSet, Control, Session Manager using the left sidebar. Double-click the BootExecute string on the right and ensure its value data is set exactly to autocheck autochkDSK ***. Finally, your drive may actually have corrupted sectors that the automatic quick scan is continuously failing to repair. Return to your elevated command prompt window by running it as an administrator. Type CHKDSK C:/F/R/R/X and press Enter, then type Y to schedule a thorough manual scan. Restart your PC and allow this deep diagnostic process to run uninterrupted one final time to isolate hardware faults. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.